Good morning, everyone. I'm Luiz Silveira, and I'm an assistant professor in Western Biology Department. In my lab, I want to offer students a path to biodiversity research and associated careers. Our lab focuses on the study of fireflies. These charismatic insects are an important part of Earth's biodiversity. They have also been fruitful sources of innovation and revenue for biotech and biomedical research, as well as relevant tools to control agricultural pests and to teach diverse scientific topics. Fireflies have been successful flag species to boost ecotourism and the conservation of nature. My lab's research is focused on studying these shiny little treasures and making them easily available as a tool to a wide range of scientists and the general public. I started out my research in my homeland in Brazil. During my PhD, I found out that southeastern Brazil is the world's greatest hotspot for firefly diversity. I decided to continue my formation as a postdoc at the University of Georgia, where I studied the evolution of fireflies. I am lucky to be at another important center of firefly diversity, the Southern Appalachia. The origins of the North American firefly fauna are still obscure. Did they all start out here, or have they come from other places? It's been proposed that they came from South and Central America, but due to a lack of firefly research in these regions, the question remains largely open and significant. Since I arrived to Western, my colleagues and I have been awarded a $500,000 National Science Foundation grant to boost collections-based research, which put me in a unique position to push forward biodiversity research not only in Appalachia, but also globally. During my career, I developed wonderful collaborations and mentorships in several places, here in the United States and abroad, which gives me leverage to continue my research in the tropics now that I'm based here. That entails mostly grad students and their local mentors, which became my eyes and ears in their countries, including Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Mexico, and elsewhere. Now I extend my network to each of my students, hoping that they will use that leverage to reach their goals. I want to highlight that biodiversity research is not for everyone. Can you think of a single person that would love to do lab and fieldwork on top of reading through old literature in several languages and navigating complex software and statistics? It's like finding a needle in a haystack. That's why I felt so lucky to find Sarah Rivera here at Western. Sarah's work has not only helped me cultivate this research further, but is adding substantially to the regional and global connections surrounding this topic. She and I together are positioning Western as an important center of firefly research.